This is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I'll show how you can wipe the cache partition on this device. So to start, press and hold the side power button for about 3 seconds or so. Make sure that your device is unlocked first. Then switch off your phone entirely and wait about 7 to 10 seconds for your system to be shut down completely, which you will be able to tell by a subtle vibration. Here it is. Now you can simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons and let your finger off both of them once you'll see the Samsung logo on your screen. So once again, volume up and power buttons, and release them once you see the Samsung Galaxy A30s and all those stuff. In the Android recovery menu, use the volume rocker to navigate and power key to confirm. Select the wipe cache partition, press the volume button, then yes, confirm, and as you can see, the cache wipe has been completed successfully. Now select the reboot system now option, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.